Good evening to all of you. There is a description about cycloid canal system. The cycloid canal system is constructed in such a way so as to form by pores and canal. That is called canal system or aquiferous system. There are three body layers. First, outer pinacoderm, and inner choanoderm, and in between these two layers, pinacoderm and choanoderm, there is a intermediate layer, that is the mesenchyme. The first heading with particular reference to canal system of cycloid sponge is the ostia or ostium. Ostium is singular and ostia are plural. The ostium extended as a body group in the form of a thin membrane. The ostia, through which water moves from outside to in-current canal, and it is surrounded by a myocyte cell. The ostia is surrounded by a myocytes. The myocyte is a contractile cell that have property to contract and relax, and thus in this way it regulates the flow of water from outside to inside. And next heading, that is the in-current canal. In-current canal is also known as the inhalent canal. This is the invaginated body fold. This is the invaginated body fold that opens to exterior and closed at their interior side. So this is the characteristic feature of the in-current canal. That is the blind at their inner side and open to exterior. The entire in-current canals is lined by pinacocytes. Next heading, that is the prosopyle. This is the prosopyle. Prosopyle is a intercellular passage through which in-current canal opens into the radial canal. The radial canal. And next heading, that is the radial canal. Radial canal is the evagination body fold of asconite sponge, and it is blindly inked at their exterior side and opens into the interior through apopyle into spongocoel. The entire radial canal is lined by choanocytes. Choanocyte is a type of a collar cell or flagellated cells. The choanocyte is a flagellated cell. That is why the radial canal is also referred to as flagellated chambers. In the incurrent canal alternate with radial canal. In tangential sections of Sicon cylinder that represents each radial canal is surrounded by 4 incurrent canal and vice versa. Or incurrent canal also surrounded by 4 radial canal. Next, radial canal. And the heading, that is the apopyle. Apopyle is also known as the internal ostia, that is enabled by a sphincter. What is a sphincter? A sphincter is a group of myocyte cells that have capability to relax and contract, and thus it regulates the movement of water inside the sponge body. The apopyle opens, the radial canals opens into spongocele through the apopyle. So this is the apopyle. And next heading, spongocele. Spongocele is the large single vertical cavity that is also known as the paragastric cavity. In case of order Homocela, the entire spongocele is lined by choanocytes, but in Heterocela, more particularly to Sicon, lined by only pinacocyte cells. That is difference between them. Order Homocela and Heterocela. The spongocele opens to outside through osculum. Osculum is also known as exhalent aperture. That means, why it is called exhalent aperture? Because the outgoing water current passed through them. And the opening of osculum is also enabled by sphincter. That means the sphincter controls its diameter and thus maintain or regulate the constant flow of water through this pore or throughout the system of the